Welcome to our 5th tutorial of how to crochet for absolute beginners. Today we will learn how to do the treble crochet stitch. Not triple, treble. We will start with our well-known slip knot and chain. We will chain 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. And we will turn our chain and work from the back in these back bumps. To do the treble stitch, we need to yarn over twice, and we always miss this first stitch, so then it will be second, third, on the fourth back bump we will go in, pull through. So now we have 4 loops. So what we'll do, we'll pull through, we'll yarn over and pull through the first 2. Now we have 3 loops. So yarn over, pull through the next 2, and we have 2 more left. Yarn over and pull through, and this is the stitch. So let's do it again. Yarn over twice, go in the next bump, yarn over, pull through. We have 4. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the second 2 loops, yarn over, pull through. So you can see how tall this stitch is. Yarn over twice, yarn over, pull through. So we have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. And let's continue. We'll do 3 of these rows, and you just need to get, this is exactly what it is as the other one, but just more loops. You just need to get used to do it. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Can you see the mistake? I yarn over only once. Yarn over twice. Now we have 1 more. Here it is. So this is our treble crochet stitch. Can you see how tall it is? So now Before we continue the next row, we need to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and turn, yarn over twice, and now we go in the first stitch through both loops through the V. So we do it again. Again, yarn over twice, go into the next stitch. So just remember that you need to pull through the first 2 loops, the second 2 loops, the third 3 loops. So you will pull through 3 double loops. We are nearly finishing the second row. And the third row, chain 3. So very easy, and it is a common stitch as well. We are using the most common one, learning the most common one, and then when you combine them you can make different projects. And the last stitch of this row. So this is our treble crochet stitch. You can see the first one, when we did the single crochet, I think we did 10 rows, and here we did 3 rows, and it's roughly the size of what we did for 10 rows of the single stitch. So every time we have an additional yarn over, the stitch grows in length. So I want you to keep practicing this. It is, as I said, it is very similar to the double crochet and single crochet. It just, you keep adding your yarn over. Thank you for watching.